It's Dan Masters live on a Saturday morning at a beach. Well, not in the backyard. Nope, not on Tybee Island. Fernandina Beach here on Amelia Island, and there's a little difference in you don't have to pay to park. Dogs are allowed, and you can even park your car on the beach, which is pretty sweet at times. So, anyway, less crowded also. Hadn't seen a jellyfish in 2-3 days. Kind of digging Fernandina Beach here on Amelia Island. And a family vacation to continue. More later. It's going to be a big party tonight. I will be back in Savannah for that. House concert event of the year on its way.